Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the NEET second year analysis report from 2013 to 2019. So in that I am explaining the first chapter, which is nothing but waves. In that there are two bits are coming. The important topics which are revised in this chapter are: first one is equation of the wave, second one is fundamental frequency, third one is velocity in different cases, fourth one beats and echo, fifth one pipes, and sixth one Doppler effect. That is the first chapter. Okay. Next, in the second chapter, that is called the ray optics. In this ray optics, the number of bits are repeated as 1 or 2. Okay. In that first one, angle between the two plane mirrors in case of reflection, lens in different cases. Third one, prism, condition for dispersion without deviation, deviation without dispersion. Fourth one, apparent shift and total internal reflection. Fifth one, prism, IBJR, nothing about rainbow, scattering. And sixth one, telescope and microscope. Okay. Next, third chapter, wave optics. In wave optics, one bit is coming regularly. That is, first one is interference and applications. Second one, Young's double slit experiment. Third one, diffraction. And fourth one is polarization. Okay. Next, fourth lesson, electric charges and fields. In that, Coulomb's inverse square law, force in different cases. Next, electric field intensity due to a single point charge and a dipole, axial line and equatorial line. Equilibrium of charges, electric dipole, torque and work, Gauss law and its applications, flux problems. Next, equipotential surfaces, time of fall in uniform electric field. Okay, this is electric field and charges. Next, electric potential and capacitance. In this electric potential and capacitance, the first one is 1 or 2 bits are coming in this chapter. So the first topic, you know, the potential gradient E equal to minus dV by dr, electric potential on a dipole and field on a dipole. Third one, capacitance theory. Fourth one, capacitance dielectric in different cases, series and parallel combination, and effect of dielectric. Next, energy stored in a capacitor. Okay. Next lesson, sixth lesson, current electricity. In this, the current electricity, two problems are coming. So the first one is resistance in different cases. Second one is color code. Third one, cells, including the cells and resistance circuits. Kirchhoff law based problems. Wheatstone bridge and meter bridge problems. And potentiometer, the star indicates number of times repeated. Here also the resistance, the number of times repeated these problems on this topic. Power problems and bulbs problems. Okay, that is about current electricity. So you can do one problem compulsory, and second one is circuit based, so that you can prepare well. Then you can attempt both, and you can get the full marks. Okay. Next, seventh lesson, moving charges and magnetism. In that, first, Biot-Savart law applications based on the problems for finding the B, magnetic field induction due to a straight wire, infinite wire, circular wire, like that. Second one, magnetic force. Third one, magnetic dipole moment. Fourth one, force between two parallel conductors. And fifth one, conversion of moving coil galvanometer into ammeter and voltmeter. And last one, B and D graphs. In this chapter, one bit is coming, and that bit is easy. You can attempt. Next chapter, electromagnetic induction. Ninth lesson, electromagnetic induction. In this chapter 2 bits are coming. So in that, the first one is induced EMF, charge, magnetic flux and graphs problems. Second one, eddy currents theory. Third one, energy stored in an inductor. Fourth one, power. Fifth one, DC circuits. Sixth one, self-induction and mutual induction. Okay, in these 2 bits, so one is easy and one is difficult. Next, alternating current, 10th lesson, 1 bit is coming from regularly. So the first one is circuits involving the resistor, inductor and capacitor and phasor diagrams. See the phasor diagrams carefully. Okay. Next, transformer, types of transformer, step up and step down and theory bit on transformer. Next, power loss and power factor. Next, bulbs problems. Okay. Next, 11th lesson, EM waves, theory on wavelength, displacement current, electric field intensity, magnetic field intensity, velocity of light related problems, vector form also. Next, force, pressure, momentum for reflecting or reflecting is also called polished surface and non-reflecting surface. Okay, from this every time 1 bit is compulsory and it is easy, so you can attempt easily. Okay. Next lesson, dual nature of matter and radiation. From this chapter 1 or 2 bits are coming. So the first one is Einstein photoelectric equation, graphs on intensity and frequency. Second one is work function, threshold frequency, threshold wavelength problems. Third one, de Broglie wavelength in different cases. Fourth one, lambda and momentum graphs. Fifth one, problems based on photon, proton, alpha particle, electron, like that. Okay. Next chapter, atoms, theory on Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment. The star indicates number of times problems repeated. So the first one is types of spectra, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, like that. So second one is by using Bohr's theory, how much amount of radii for the second orbit, what is the amount of kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy relations, how many number of spectral lines are produced when the electron is moving from one state to other state. Those type of problems are revised and it is easy and you can attempt it. Okay. In the 14th lesson, nuclei 1 bit is coming. So number of times repeated is half-life, mean life and radioactivity problems, and remaining sometimes they are giving as binding energy, mass defect problems on theory. Next, how much amount of energy released during the fission process or nuclear reactions, power of the nuclear reactor and alpha, beta, gamma decays. Okay. Next, 15th lesson. In this 15th lesson, 2 bits are coming and it can be attempted easily. So the topics which are revised regularly is theory on p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor. That means what are majority and what are minority. Next, biasing, forward bias and reverse bias problems. Third one, transistor in different cases and its configurations. Fourth one, Zener diode problems. Fifth one, gates and its waveforms problems. Sixth one, characteristics of LED, photodiode and its graphs. Seventh one, circuits having diodes and transistors. Okay, all these are very very important, and from this you can write out of 24 bits you can attempt 23 bits. Okay, So all the best for your bright future, so that you can win and you can succeed in our NEET exams, which are going to be conducted on 13th 2020. Okay, all the best, and please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for mains and NEET, so that I can give more information based on each and every topic. So I need encouragement from your. Thank you very much. All the best.